Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make white sauce pasta. Now white sauce pasta can be broken down into three stages. One, perfectly boiling the pasta. Two, which is the crucial step of making the white sauce. And third is just sauteing the vegetable. So today in this video, I'll break down all the three stages of making a perfect white sauce pasta. So without further ado, let's get started. So first in a pot, let's take 1.5 liter of water and let it boil. Once it comes to a boiling point, we'll add in oil and 2 teaspoons of salt. Now the reason why we add oil is so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other, and salt is for flavorizing the pasta. Now here I've taken around 1.5 cup of penne pasta. We'll drop this into the boiling water. Make sure that you keep the flame high. Now always check the packet to see the timing for how long we need to cook the pasta. Here I'll be cooking the pasta for 10 minutes. And now let's start with making the white sauce, which is the crucial part. For which here I've taken around 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. Now we need to melt the butter, making sure that the flame is not high. Once the butter is melted, I will add in 30 grams of refined flour. Now I call this a crucial stage of making this recipe because at this stage you will feel like giving up as the refined flour will start forming lumps. We need to roast the refined flour well, making sure that it doesn't turn brown. It has to be white, and even if you feel that there are lumps forming, you don't have to worry because we'll be adding in 1.5 cup of milk. Now when you add in the milk, make sure that you add the milk little by little, and with the help of a whisker, you just keep on stirring it constantly so that all the lumps are broken. Very important, make sure that the flame is very low and keep a control on the flame so that we don't burn the sauce. And now don't worry, even after stirring for a while, you still find the lumps. You can just use a strainer and pour this white sauce in a strainer and get a nice creamy texture. Once you get this creamy texture, once this white sauce is prepared, 80% of your battle is won. Then you can add in a slice of cheese and just mix it well, and you will get the nice cheesy creamy texture. This will take a good 8 to 10 minutes until which your pasta also is cooked. As you can see, this pasta is perfectly cooked. Now I'll transfer this into a strainer and I'll add in little bit of salt and I'll crush some pepper and I'll just mix it well. And now the final stage in which I'll saute few vegetables. So in a pan I've taken around 1 teaspoon of oil and I've taken half onion sliced, followed by 7 to 8 garlic cloves finely chopped. We'll just saute it, making sure that we don't turn them brown. Then I'll add in half carrot and some mushrooms, and just we'll saute this for around 30 seconds to a minute. Here I'll add in around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water so that I just cook the mushrooms, followed by bell pepper. Make sure that you don't overcook the bell pepper because we need the crunchiness of the bell pepper. And now I'll add in oregano, just mix it well. And now we'll transfer the boiled pasta. If you want it to be a non-vegetarian pasta, you can add in some boiled chicken. All done. Now I'll turn off the flame and now we will add in our white sauce. Adding in 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now we'll mix all this together. Now at this stage, you can taste the pasta and see if you require any salt or you need some extra flavor of oregano, and you can adjust it accordingly. And that's it. Your white sauce pasta is ready to be served. That's it. That's how we make the white sauce pasta. Now making the white sauce might look easy, but it's little difficult because you have these lumps forming, and at certain stage you will feel like giving up. But don't give up. Just make sure that you roast the refined flour well. Make sure that it doesn't turn brown because we need it white. And secondly, just keep whisking it and keep adding the milk little by little. Don't add 1.5 cup or 1 cup milk altogether, because we need to keep stirring it and we need to break all the lumps forming. Even after a stage you feel that the lumps are not broken, use a strainer. Okay, when the white sauce is cooked well, use the strainer, pour all the white sauce in it and just scrape it off. Okay, you will get a nice smooth texture. Okay, that's it. You can add the cheese also. It will give you a nice cheesy flavor, and you can flavorize this pasta with oregano or chili flakes or black pepper, whatever you like. At the end you can just taste it, adjust all the salt and adjust all the flavor as per your likes. Even if you want, you can add in chicken, boiled chicken, and make it a chicken and vegetable pasta. Okay, so let me know in the comments below how you like the recipe, how you like the video. Share it with your friends and family, and if you have any tips and tricks to share it with me, you can just feel free to use the comment section. Give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.